Divide using polynomial long division. Give your answer in the form quotient plus remainder over divisor. You may assume a non-zero denominator. So let's go ahead and get this set up. I hope I have enough space here. In fact, I'm going to kind of move my screen so I have a little space over here. So let's do 4x plus 1. I'll just try it down here, see what happens. Okay, 4x plus 1 into 8x cubed plus 22x squared plus 21x, give myself a little more, plus 3. Okay, so first thing I'm going to notice is I have every power all the way down. I have cubed, squared, x to the 1 power, and then just my constant term. So I'm good there. So now I need to see, okay, what do I need to multiply by 4x to get 8x cubed? Well, for 4 to get 8, I need 2, and then I'll need an x squared. So 2x squared, and I will put that above my other x squared term. So 4x times 2x squared, I will get 8x cubed. 4x times 2x, or sorry, plus 1 times 2x squared is plus 2x squared. So I just multiplied that 2x squared by the whole 4x plus 1. Now once I do this, I need to subtract both terms. So after I've subtracted, after I've changed that sign, I circle it to know the sign has been changed. So those cancel out. 22x squared minus 2x squared, I will get 20x squared, and then I'll bring down a plus 21x. So next line, what do I need to multiply by 4x to get 20x squared? Well, I need to multiply a 5x. So a positive 5x, again notice the terms are lining up, multiply 5x by 4x plus 1. So 5x times 4x, I'll get 20x squared. 5x times 1, I'll get plus 5x. Subtract both terms next. So subtract, those two cancel. 21 minus 5x, I'll get a 16x, and then bring down that 3, so 16x plus 3. Last time, 4x times what will give me 16x? Well, here I'll get a positive 4. 4x times 4 gives me 16x. 4 times 1 gives me 4. Change both signs. So subtract, 16x's cancel. 3 minus 4, I end up with a negative 1. This is one way to tell you're done, is your constant terms line up, but also 4x, it'd be really hard to write 4x into negative 1. It doesn't work in this way that we're setting it up. So then our answer would be this quotient, so 2x squared plus 5x plus 4, and then minus 1, which is the remainder, over this divisor 4x plus 1. Okay, and that would be our final answer. If you're ever having a hard time with long division, what I would recommend is set yourself up a problem that you know how to do. For example, like 7 into 1451, and do your long division here, and you'll see that each of the steps are the same. We go 7 into 14, well, 7 times 2 equals 14. 7 times 2, 14, put it here. Now we subtract it. So we get 0, bring down the 5. Well, this case 7 doesn't go into 5, so we'll have 0. 7 times 0 is 0. Subtract it. 5 minus 0 is 5. Bring down the 1, we get 51. 7 goes into 51 7 times. 7 times 7, 49. Subtract. 51 minus 49, we get 2. So this would be 207 with a remainder of 2, or another way we could say it is 207 and 2/7. So you can see a lot of similarities. Anytime you get stuck on a long division problem, you might make yourself up one so you can kind of remember the process and use those same steps and reasoning for long division with polynomials.